everybody, it is time for a thrift haul. Now I have been slowly going down from thrift hauls because number one, I just can't go to thrift stores all the time. I go anytime I get a chance, but I've noticed that a lot of places have raised their price, and especially like Goodwill, they've really raised their prices. And some of the stuff I'm like, it's not worth paying that price when I can just buy it brand new for like $1 or $2 more on how I buy stuff. But you guys, my daughter and I went to a store, I think it was last week, and I found all of this at one store. I could not believe it. I hit like the mother load of books. I saw one book and I instantly grabbed it, and I instantly grabbed another one, and I grabbed another one. I don't know if this is all from the same person, and except maybe one book is not, but I was just like, I could not believe I found this, and I could not believe I found them for these prices. So Goodwill, I got all these at Goodwill. Goodwill right now has it where their paperbacks are $1.99 and their hardcovers are $2.99. But then they have prices on a lot of them, and some of them are like $4.99, $5.99, $6.99 for a book that they get for free. I'm like, yeah. But anyways, I could not believe I found all these books unmarked, so that means they were $1.99. So if they don't have a sticker on them, they're $1.99, and I could not believe I found them. So the first book I saw is this one right here. The first one I saw was The Boyfriend by Frida McFadden. Now I have yet, just hold on, I have yet to read a Frida McFadden book, and I know these are available on Kindle Unlimited, but I wanted to get this anyways. There are two reasons. My neighbor has been borrowing a lot of my books lately, so I wanted to give her stuff. She can't walk right now, she hurt her foot. And second of all, I just want, and then if I ever like resell these, I can sell them for more than what I paid. But right now I'm working on getting like a big bookshelf and everything. So I saw this. Now it is the end of November. You guys will probably watch this a little bit after that. But it is the end of November. This book came out October 2nd. It came out last month, and the person already donated it. And I'm like, seriously, you could have put like in a free little library or something, but they donated it to Goodwill. So I got this book for $2. Well, guess what? I already read it. I read it. It took me a couple days to read it, and I absolutely loved this book. Like I said, I've never read a Frida McFadden book. The first one I really wanted to read was The Housemaid, but I just couldn't believe I found her books. Like, I've never seen any of her books ever at any thrift store. So I'm like, I had to get it for $2. I had to get it, and I absolutely love this book. This was about a girl who is in her mid-30s. She's struggling, you know, the dating scene. She ends up going on a blind date, and the guy's just like a complete jerk. Well, the guy ends up like following her. Well, some other guy like saves her, and she's like, oh my god, that's like my dream guy. Well, she ends up running into her dream guy, and he's like too good to be perfect and everything. Well, one of her friends ends up getting unalived, and then she was trying to figure out who it could be, if it's the creepy like date from previously and all that stuff. But I really love this. I really recommend it if you guys know that. Then I was debating on this one. So this one is, I think, the second one or the third one. I can't remember. I think this is the second one, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna get this one, you know, for $2, and I really love the feel of these, so I ended up getting this. So now the next book I need to get is The Housemaid. I'll either read it on Kindle Unlimited or get it from the library, but I kind of want to get it just to go with this one. But this one is $2. I got this one. This one, I have never read a Geneva Rose book, but this is one. It's called You Shouldn't Have Come Here. Now again, these are thriller books, and I really like romance, but I'm fine with that. The only thing I didn't like is this has some sticker damage right here, but I'm still okay. $2, I got that. Now, I did find some romance books, and I think these are all from the same person, but I found a Lucy Score book, and I thought this one was new, but I did look at the release date. It came out last year, but I really love, I read her The Things, the Things Like We Don't Talk, it's a 3-book series. That's what I've read of hers, and there's a couple other books, but The Dead Guy Next Door, I'm like, this book I'm super excited to read. This is a romance book, so pretty excited for that. Got that for Goodwill for $2. Then I found another book by Lucy Score, No More Secrets. So again, $2. And then I'm like, okay, I couldn't believe it, but I found another Frida McFadden book. This one is The Inmate, which I am pretty excited to read. My friend, my coworker says she just absolutely loves Frida McFadden books, so she kind of got me into getting, you know, these books. So Inmate, $2. Then I also found One by One, which I think this is one of her older books, but again, $2. So yes, and these are like all in like perfect condition. I feel like they've been read once and then the person donated them. So I was pretty excited for that. Then there was this one, and my Goodwill had 2 of them, and this book was also released on October 2nd, or the beginning of October. I couldn't believe it. I don't know exactly what this one is. I don't know if this one's the first one or a second one, because I keep seeing the Lost Bookshop, which is like a little picture right here. I keep seeing that one, and I'm like, we're gonna try this for $2. You can't go wrong. But yeah, they had 2 of these for $2, and I just got the one, but I thought it just came out. It seems interesting. I don't know. I think this might be kind of like a mystery book, but I thought this would be a great book to maybe look into and possibly suggest for book club, because I'm in book club. So yes. And then those are the scores that I got at Goodwill. And then I saw this one. Now this is a Twilight book. I'm gonna actually start reading Twilight again. I just watched all the movies recently, and Twilight got me into reading. Like literally, it was Harry Potter that I just read the books once. Twilight, I've read the books like once or 2 or 3 times. But I'm like, I want to read Twilight again. So for Christmas, all for the month of December, I'm only reading Christmas books, but after that, for the new year, I'm going to start reading like Twilight again. But I thought, I'm going to read this one. I really love, you know, the Twilight books, but this is like, it's life or death. When Buford Swan moves to the gloomy towns of Forks and meets the mysterious, alluring Edith Cullen, his life takes a thrilling. I don't really know what it's about, but it's made by Stephanie Meyer, so $2 for that. So I paid 18 bucks. I like donated with tax. I paid $19 altogether with my like money, but I could not believe what I found. Like I really wish it was like the books that I love to read, but hey, this is the best. This is the best haul I've ever gotten at Goodwill, and it's for a decent price. So make sure you guys are checking that stuff out, because you never know. You never know what you're gonna find. I'm just so excited, and yeah, so now I'm gonna have my neighbor borrow some of these books because she is gonna read them. But if you guys enjoyed this awesome thrift haul, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time when I have enough books for another thrift haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.